now let us move on to our main topic, that is admission of a new partner. Okay, so when a firm require additional capital or any managerial help, a new partner may be admitted with admission of a partner. This simple thing we know. Okay, this will lead to reconstitution of a partnership firm and a new agreement is entered into and carry on the business. Okay, because of this new partner, a new agreement is made and partnership firm is reconstituted. Okay, and all the partnership deed is revived, it is made new, a new agreement is made to carry on the business with the new partner. So this is known as admission of a partner, admission of a new partner. So a newly admitted partner acquired two main rights. So when a new partner is coming into business, he acquires two rights. So the first one is right to share the assets of a company. So he also have his ownership on the assets of the company. Then right to share the profits of partnership firm. So whatever the profits a company or the partnership firm gets, so he can take the profits also. So these are the two rights of admission of a new partner. Okay, so for the right to acquire share in the assets and the profits of a partnership firm, the partner brings agreed amount of capital. Okay, so if a partner is admitted for an additional capital, then he will bring certain amount of capital. Okay, when he brings the capital, he gets the share in asset as well as the profits of the company. Okay, so in case of an established firm, okay, which may be earning more profits, the new partner is required to contribute some additional amount known as goodwill. If a company is earning more profits, okay, more profits, high profits from past 5 to 6 years, okay, the new partner should also pay some additional amount. Okay, that additional amount is called as goodwill. So following are the other important points which are required attention at the time of admission of a new partner. So these are the different things that we will learn in the admission of a partner, that is new profit sharing ratio, sacrifice ratio, valuation and adjustment of goodwill, revaluation and reassessment of liabilities, distribution of accumulated profit, that is reserves, and adjustment of partners capital. So these all things we will be studying in this chapter in detail. Okay,
thank you guys for watching the video. Do like the video if it was helpful for you, and subscribe to the channel for upcoming updates.
I'm a rider.